Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're just going to see how to create your WhatsApp chat theme by using the help of AI on the WhatsApp. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video.
So here I just going to show how to change the chat theme with AI. You can just create your own theme with AI on chat theme on the WhatsApp. So first of all, click on the three-dot option and click on the chat theme. Now here you have the option called create with AI. Click this. Now here just type whatever you just needed. So here I just going to type as create a theme of natural and click OK. Now it's going to create a theme that you just specified at whatever this, if you just specified it as a forest or mountain or whatever you just needed, it will be create the theme for you. So it will be take some time. You can see now it's created a better theme here. So I'm going to choose this first theme, which is actually good. And here you just need to adjust the brightness. So I just go with here, and also the color will be automatically chosen for the background. You can just also customize the color if you just need it. And click on the OK option on the top and click on the set theme. Now your own theme has been created and just set. This is how you just create your own theme with the AI, and you can just set it on your own on your WhatsApp. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful and most beautiful day ever.